urban farm site for the day. Before pictures, because we're doing some intensive weeding today.
Oh yeah, there's so much mint all over the place.
Gotta watch where I step because I don't know what's planted in here. There's a garlic growing up in the middle right there. Are these collards over here? These are collards?
Yes.
I need some seedlings. My friend's looking for some collard greens. I stood at a table cutting and washing collards for 4 hours. I don't want nothing to do with collards this season. I help everybody else grow it. But I'm not looking at them.
Corn? No, this is not corn. This is like
Garlic, those are all garlic. I thought they were corn too. They're garlic. That's a sage over there. Look at the size of this thing. This is sage. Is this rabbit ear or sage? It has to be sage. Lamb's ear? Rabbit ear looks exactly the same but smaller leaves. Yeah, they're the little white fuzzy. They look just like sage. This is beautiful though. I don't know nothing about lamb's ear, so I'm gonna be learning it this season. Is that a clover? I know that's not a clover. This one right here?
I think so, yeah. It's really big.
I didn't know they got that tall. Okay.
ones at the farm and headquarters are flowers.
Yeah, this one's looking like it's budding on top. I didn't know they got that tall. Good to know. That looks like a maple tree right there. Shed. A little bench. Oh, I gotta watch where I'm stepping. We got beds here. This is our first time at this location. So we wanna be very careful. Look at this. Pretty. And these are garlic. Drip irrigation. Compost bin. Look at these garlics. It's all garlic. This is what we got back here. Cabbage. Those are the tarps I'm sure we'll be removing soon. And what looks like burdock roots or bitter dock because they look the same to me now. Got hay full cover. Pretty garlic. Let's see what we got over here. This is the compost line. And then these pretties here. I thought they were cabbage, but they're not. Might be though. They look like cabbage to me. That's the before pictures. And it goes all the way over there. All right, guys. Off to work. Catch y'all on the next one.